Okay, so what have we got here? It's a Milanese Loop Watch Band for the Apple Watch. It's made from VIKATech instead of Apple, so it's much cheaper. I paid 200 Swedish crowns with delivery for this one instead of the very expensive one from Apple. So let's see how this look and also test it on my Apple Watch Series 4 to see how it looks. So let's start by taking it out from this package. Very simple package. Like that. And here we have it. As you can see, a Milanese Loop, or what it's called in English. So let's mount this on my Series 4 Apple Watch. So I've now mounted it on my Apple Watch, and I can say that it has a very strong magnet, so you don't have to be worried about dropping this one, because this magnet is so strong. So that's nice. But let's see how it looks on my wrist. As you can see, like this. As you can see, looks nice, really nice, I think. I like this one really much, actually. So this is a really nice copy of the Apple Milanese Loop, I think. Very price worthy. I can highly recommend buy this one. I will have a link down below in the description text to where you can buy it. I bought it from Amazon UK, so the link will be to Amazon UK. But I can already now say that I love this watch band. Looks really nice. Very nice. And it feels very sturdy, so you will not drop this one. I can promise you that. Okay. Bye.